Okay, hi, I'm Karl at Escape Trailer. We are a direct-to-consumer travel trailer manufacturer. We make some of the most beautiful one-piece fiberglass travel trailers that you'll see in the market today. People often ask, as a direct-to-consumer travel trailer, do you have dealers? And the answer is no, we do not have any dealers. We work directly with you and we build for you. So this Escape Trailer will be built for you. A lot of information, a lot of education for you to get on this. And really, there are 4 ways to view or educate on an Escape Trailer. The first one is our videos and our 360-degree interior tours. The videos that we have, we talk about the base features. Now, in every Escape Trailer, and the standard price for an Escape Trailer, it's loaded with base features. And these base features are enough to have you camping very happily to start off with. So we have a bunch of base features. This video will take you through all the base features in the trailer, tells you what everything does. Very handy tool to have. It kind of sets the baseline for where you're going to go next. Next part is the options walkthroughs, and the options walkthroughs, of course, don't forget, we are built for you, so we have a lot of upgrades that you can choose to take. In the options walkthrough, it'll take you through all the options that we have, and it will also show you all the base features that can be upgraded to those options. Then we have the What's the Difference? This is a series or a video series that we are developing. And What's the Difference is a handy video series because it'll tell you the difference between framed windows and frameless windows. A power awning versus a manual awning. It goes into a little bit more detail than we go through in the options videos and actually compares things. So you kind of get to really see, is this what I want or is that what I want going forwards? And finally, we have our 360-degree interior tours. These are kind of a nice feature. It's based off real photos that we have, and we compile it together. You can step inside, sort of put yourself in the kitchen, look at the dinette or look at the bedroom area and vice versa. So 360-degree tours are a handy sort of familiarization for the different layouts that we have in the trailer. So that's the first one. Secondly, and probably the most valuable one that we have, certainly the one that most people have got such great value out of, is what we call the personal video tour. And this personal video tour will be either on Zoom or we can also do it on FaceTime for folks with Apple. It's a one-on-one tour. It's just for you. And remember, nobody's on commission here at Escape. So we're all just here to educate you, to give you the best advice so that you choose what you really need for your trailer and your traveling experience. This time is just for you. There won't be anybody else involved in this, just you and the person on the camera, probably someone like Harrison. We've done over 1,300 of these in just over the last year and a bit. So they're exceptionally popular with folks. Third, a lot of people want to be able to say, I want to touch, I want to see, I want to feel what this trailer looks like. I actually want to stand inside it and see what the quality of the trailer is all about. That's where we have our Escape ambassadors. We've got over 1,200 of these in North America. They're really happy to show their trailers. They wouldn't be ambassadors otherwise. They get asked a lot of questions about their trailers. They generally will give you some very good objective review of me, of Escape, of Harrison, of the experience, the whole experience that they had, plus the after sales experience, which is also very important. Finally, they are Escape customers. I think that goes without saying. You can't really speak authoritatively about something if you haven't owned it yourself. Finally, and the last one, this is probably the more difficult one for a lot of folks, especially because most of our customers are way down in the US, is the Escape showroom. We welcome people to come to the Escape showroom, but it is by appointments only. We certainly wouldn't want anyone just turning up on our doorstep without an appointment and not being able to get in to see a trailer properly. Most important thing is that we have the time with you or you have the time with us to get all your questions answered. So it's by appointments only. We only do it in the mornings. We're in Chilliwack in British Columbia, and we will always try and pair you up with your configuration expert. So once you put your deposit in place, once you get to that point where you're working with somebody, you'll have your person, and you'll work with that person all the way through to the end of the configuration for your trailer. So let me go through these four choices again. First, we have our videos and our 360-degree interior tours. Then we have our personal video tours. Then we move on to our Escape ambassadors and Escape showroom. If you're going to work your way through this, I would start off by going through the base features videos and the options walkthrough videos. This will give you the majority of the information that you need. After that, I'd get on a personal video tour because then you can be rifle shot with the questions that you have and you can get those answered. Finally, then I would say go see an ambassador, go touch and feel the Escape. And if you really want, you can come to the Escape showroom. Listen, I hope this has been really helpful for you. I'm Karl at Escape Trailer, and we're built for you.